election mu an ye wo no ene me esisi abrahosam abepem eye infantman constituency no yenkwa homa no so na kwadwo de afaminisompo kwadwo nyakon Richard kwadwo nyakon ewo ahoma no so ye no eni enkomo Richard anopem mu ache mu akwa aba say infantman constituency what to say.
Well, enye boko kra because ade atomweni ahomachi omo antiasem papa around 1 a.m. Omo member of parliament and parliamentary candidate on the ticket of the NPP or campaign or abiaze dominance obi oni mankesim bia so tu mankesim na ekwani ye yenu ti ba fun eko enimu ko fe djuma fun na ba ko da o left no ekofa abiaze domazia di kopie abra dunkwa nti ohon no mo call campaign around 1 a.m. no mo aba marketing the baby duazin nti obudu on say ngophobia some ya armed robbers they were armed no more than so munjina the driver no die mikatenten to trim no mo to driver ni tio nti driver no lose control the car no cano just lose control eneja kali ekopimi ye na omo da say omo car ni munyina omo ntimba omo de da ho nti we are told by omo na omo ni MP ni na me say kwanza here for the member of parliament you know dan we say on no sitting member of parliament yes say the person kon ni omo di an ti bi omo prepare frank or the more omo ni ade no I empusu omo kra na omo tu ni ti omo shutu no we no ewo nechi nti e kan spine no nti ono de omo di no ko du ayatabi na je so wa enya media the driver no dey see anya say ono so afri mu ahwere ne nkwa ye kase ya no mo di emu no is free Sopon Government Hospital at the new called the Cape Coast Teaching Hospital currently na ye esi won Fantiman ha no ya dia ya pa ye jama for ntia constituent no mo ha no ntia se nre ya no mo ne nam pade yi ko ko ki fit ya on na odie ni mu a mo hwe senka obetumi ase retain the seat go ni me say na so da MPP the electoral commission omo nomination of filing no nti ono so na Frank Edema MPP amanyoko nti ade ato amanfo ni omo se obre no ho ase oye hard working no buy kakra no mpuntudwuma odi aba ewo sa constituency men yankito ekwan a omo de ama contract ni ade obeka ya ba ko a me ye closely associated with kwanya efi anomabo ede coffee shoes college wona currently no omugusu enche bia ka ombe wie sa baby asem we si ye nso kra no eton contractor sa kwane nye kwane de enye kra we are told say contractor say you juma was but if you are juna baby sumiti baby ye sum no na mamboyfo ye kwete ya omwedi nyambra sama etisa na sa de eti ewo infantman constituency ade atomweni omuntumi kra and that word to even say anything amount for bottom team ewo kokwansa here for the field omo kobo no money omo agency omo
asemi mu oyo na yesi baby esi ye na asa ben police headquarters mankesim police headquarters animu sanete
and shadam ben is duazi but police office home but and yet that close that
eba enye closer omo ante wo hwa ehwo no from ebia a media but ahokeke mu no ke bia be 5 minutes bi or 10 minutes omo ntimi nru ho mobile said ye ka say omo blocking road ni ade
say omo tin intermedia and ka omo tin use be 10 minutes to get there but ebia no mo ante ni step because omo akoye Robert they might have stopped a lot of the vehicles into the bia car nko kan ba omo agide omo mobile phones so ni ade ni answer na police for the bet na che say enema agency kwa
kwajo de akire bie maye na ye besa ba onchen se bibi foforo bemu a ye da se ne adwuma obo enti Richard Kodonyakon finfin mantemu e no bo ye nkra enani 2 weeks pepepe na owura ekọ Kwansa Hayford enani te adwamu se ya ye di nkomo for Super Fridays enenne na wotwemienu ni na enipa bonfo abonito amwa free mu nti abusua eyire ne ma constituency ho nyina yamamu nyina hyeden ene yakọ yegitum yie se bambofo wonuma panti yebehu sa nipa bomfo ni nyina se bi nam so epran so a mo ayaresa bia nyame ma na basa no wo so na mo ho enye modene ba bia yedro no woni tuaka be 50 plus days anaso de ba bosumi mienu e kakra na yakọ akoto aba eyi mampani ena femrahye bedwafo enti edru se no a wo se yenkasa ho ba nyame ho tie nsentwefo yenso yedimu akotene nene no yankasa yem president Ghana Journalists Association Jamtenani Orafel Money aba beka mensa ewa haushia president dia na wo se wani die ni bo bia no utumi de mano fi se opani na nkasa na etutu ne nemu aba ha Orafel Money anope mu akwaba da senso se watimi anante aba motimi dia Adom TV na ye di komo na eye mamen Mikaiza Gladys Baini oh okay Gladys Baini and so ewo yenchen wa ha oso no anope ye mu akwaba yeda se papa na yesi youth summit bi eba be koso ni nyina fa election ho but answer na ye bebo awura enne botayen mu no manya we de na o se ye no wie kakra bi ne yenhwe ensentwerefo ye wo election year mu as a president ya sade ewo mu si ye be ye adwuma ho te a awieye no nse nkunimdie beba fi se so man bebo ana be kɔ nanimu a fa kase no so gira central adwuma no so iti president atena adwamu ide ade na central for election year 2020 yenya adwuma ho beba nyam ebe kama
British philosopher Sir Francis Bacon no see a good question is half the answer. The so question is so go me that yeah no by 50% nti musuma fa 50% na central for ejuma no hia papa na se hwe kura jatom Cote d'Ivoire na nasia hwe mol kodo ho election what about amount for thousands Kenya so many countries not just central for ejuma no de no hia papa na se issue akudzia or more dangerous. Nothing can beat the media. We see Rwanda, Central Africa, Wallace, Rocker can send food in hundreds of thousands. In the human incident, Central Eastern Australia, Senior Coupon Afro, or calling. You be at it, painful say a Batacarados in the Hukam Papa. Obia Sara no perfume and when your radio station 2 by 4 radio station being also central and
when you're there because what it is central for or to say Melbourne
exactly but it is a serious business until again Gabriel Marquez also is the best profession in the world until it's the age ejuma sabinu here pa odzimu is the number one the whole world that was here doing something for you in yes of the nye a doctor a juma no because he when here papa because try hey how many times I serve you nanado on your chance of broadcast your nation how many times but them coordinate by 13 times now it can number of times
every day
na some is can some cry occur so many areas so many homes
and say no among for no cry central for ni di cry sene and penny for
exactly
even say babambo mo cry omo ahotoso wo media mo cry sene send case about be report to police station the first point of course or be central for no be report here
exactly say that them ejuma yen very serious into say the matter say assembly you ha ye kwa for more for nana ana John Mahama ababio onko se fi assembly you ha ne say e win election ija ato kroma na che ekoya na be nti assembly no hia papa nti central for house citizen dey say e be kan bibia dwen ho da ma say me kan du gwe all the assembly repa and now the cornerback. You know, be a council kaka. No, that is no for gatekeeping. Yeah, gatekeepers. To be car is sondo. Today, chami be you. Some 7 years and 4 piano, so to go or cacra 7 and I can know ye papa. Or where that is how
Juma.
That is our job.
Adwuma wa ye ho pa o. Pa. Na we ya kan so. Enya akokoro na ebema na akwakoye enema bi ensem fata o. Enne obehunu na youth no mabunu no a ye ho ode anke betimi aye adwuma papa no. Na ye di ako anim, na ye di atrutra asem anim. Enne youth summit and I say youth for peace. Eno na mode aba.
Yeah.
Adenti ene sa adwin po we.
That's you can the same your question when youth was the him. If you have serve when you adwuma na be so say youth in share nyama pii. Nyam in fame. Say we have nyimem na one. Nti so we serve 10 cedis. Na one t-shirt is the him. And now going vigilantism. And okay in general. Until that's the more reason why we should target them. No, and say any targeter, any one been pay and targeter, one wife been born target them and use them to destroy and kill. The more reason why it's okay. Hence, we are so many things competing for attention as I'm for. But at the same time, Nanado space in the media, John Mahama. At the same time, let's sharpen our focus on the youth, because they can use their youthful exuberance for wrong purposes. It is that more reason why it's also central for any National Peace Council, not a excellency, anti-Smakazi NGO. This kind of a honorable chance.
Mamma Kono so na Auntie Gladys mining so nchire the entire Omodo ho abedom Ghana Journalists Association and afi one mo biom kra Peace Council
and National Youth Authority.
Oh. When the first time?
Me ba chwan.
When the first time?
Yeah, first one o Kwame Nkrumah birthday no 21st September no. E wo press center. Ba chwan. Na ye bota ye ne say me ankasa me madwuma me ye ne say me support girl child education and women empowerment. But me hu ne say o man bia say o hawa na sento kwasima eye ma ne nkwala ne brepa nti no say covid aba na nkwala nko school a I think say ye pese ye nkasa dia na this very season na ye peace because say ye nkasa amfa peace na sento kwaba afi na ye besanso akọ na aba emma na ye ntimi nkasa amfa peace ho amanya victims no afi na ye kwase ye kwakobo mu ye pese ye tackle where the problem is coming from by ye pese problem ne beba ansa na tutumi ka say ye kwache ne ama ye koyesi nti no that is the purpose nti a ye deti e na secondly no nim say youth no nso ye mpenifo ne target nti no say wutumi e kire youth ni say ebia ukwaje 500 cedis na ukọ na yetwa wona ba ko a wunkwa nde nyina watu ama wonan ni ho say ukọ na sabe wuko na wuko wu a ebi mpa meka say wumfie ebusuan papem sabe ana say wo yere wo mma bi wuko di echi na say wuko wu a wo yere na mma nde na beto wo nti na ye create awareness to the youth ni say e wo msa ho kire wo Ghana yenim say okom nyama bebre wo ho but value wunkwa na value sika kakra ebia politician bi de be ma if say wo hwe na say na 500 cedis no ene wunkwa no the same dia and there's
actually the same my dear
we are trying to say mama youth na tia say yenim sa ho kire wo ho na so ye ma ye nkwa no ehu hia ye because ye nso betimi abaye MPs ye betimi abaye president
panindie bi betimi abeto
betimi abeto intende say obi aye sade na obe support na sabe supporting with adwen papa mu but enye say wo be ye gidigidi na me ukokonto kwa na ye twa na ba kwa wabo na ye bosume ba ko enkan ni na abaye woni wabusuafo ka. Yes, started campaign when Mako villages kakra ene enkrofo a through elections on my victims last 4 years no and me yes enka Youth for Peace Summit me de omo ba ena mpenifo ka se da bi ebi wo hono ma eya wonti wo de ne bo ba be ka asem bi a ba be say program no who ni say they are really in pains omo bre obi wo hono ma rally ni mu na onya accident no obi enfi no obi enfi no masisi ano na brabo na ye basa obi omo say true sa election ntini me yere kra jame ebia say nti woni say ensem hihye suma se but enya ade a eye known to the public youth ni nim Nti no hu ne se obi ba no obeka cho so me ba me yesi yamom me yesi yamom
pe pre ne so obeye
na ne ho pre no so obeye nti ye create awareness to the youth ni say ye na ye omo target but ye nso ye betimi abaye so omo nti ye ma ye nkwa ne hia ye
Mamemra president ho na ye nhwe peace summit youth for peace summit ekwan be na nsentwe adwuma no ye nso ye de ye hu behyemu ono ekọ oye ne de kwan be so ne ye nso ye betimi aye e de support sa idea we if you say youth no ye doso esim penifo no ense ye nyina ya dwen ba ye ho so se e wo se ye ne papam ye nkopura ye nkoye ne ma bi esa asomdwe na ye pen ye benya die na role bell na ye play wo
nse he na ye channels he na inferior ewa it's a casa okay chi youth into around this me kind of fa and pay if your MP answer sempa MP mo wokun ya
oh what can be o mante
into if say tell the media scene maybe sometimes programs be no here in some be can no here agenda be set no here into American this is the time to set an agenda for peace. Say be kwa na peace messages peace issues be in time to drive home the message of peace. In a research actually if the law of exposure John Master say the more it can be the more assume the more assume the more assume not share as a be na musia some brabe nti no here nti the more you can about peace and the amount of waiting on a sebi hon bra why basasan hon adwene pia papa this is the time to shape such minds when you think peacefully you act peacefully.
Mr. Afamoni adwuma de me say bi wo Ghana Journalists Association ho fi say na kra no hwe a central na kra so ne mu kra acheche ase ye adwuma na kra no ye core mandate no ye free ho de ho because na central phobia yi wo manim so party way or party say iti ama adwuma no kra ye no fa bi no ayeden enene political parties ni nyina kra o matagi obi a je say asemi amma no wankwa kan say wo ha e chena wo kan we yes wo ha iti eno sa kra no den so na mo ye especially do election say kra de na age na ho kra ti den na no so mo ye a be ma ye so yatena se because enye normal na ye nhwe said you work can gina yeso say ya na adwuma yi a obi a betumi de en sikasam so de obi ahia money nti den na mo ye de aboa se be ya ya adwuma mu no ya adwuma ye sensentro no ehu be ye sanity bebem
Mr. Mekene Giants were calling only when the young people are from the made me but I chose to be a teacher and be a songstress and but young people are friend then the made me the ones in you who will tell you it will propel you to do the right thing. Now one other issue in there DJ yet and money young boy for American Embassy.
Okay.
The program to friend media convention. The media convention is the police for soldier for fire service
as a security agency.
Security agencies near media near transit. Ya kwa pro near transit in your bed because service central continue to me want to me the major nti ye trans ye bi o Kumasi ye bi o Tamale ye bi o wa ye bi mbembe pi nti e bokoda ye na ya tatu adwen sabi adwen do nyimpa ko ni team tatu adwen a fa na kire the mabot abatue obe peaceful even though in the attack but you will hope the more you bodewu about assembly the more he kofu say you kasa but he kofu binmu a sabi ebirimo
asemu
o asem
nti e be o modan omo yi o mani mu twan ni hade e say ma adwuma no obi afia nya hwe because oni baby obi wo na wo anya we be ye ohun sa now competition na sa ba mu no sa wo anya obi be ye ba se ye nyina ya se yakọ journalism school ye ethics no say na
musa ethics so eju bia
asa aye book mo anya adwuma
over there find ethics today hen bible and hen Quran. So that you should be ethically conscious, think ethically, write ethically, speak ethically, sleep ethically, wake up ethically, do everything journalistically, ethically. In top of that, sister, BPR very fine. The head coffee room, he went today again today a referees. Sabi, I'm Obasa. Na be a minimum. Man you dancing and young coye. They say, the best Jenfin, a referee Jenfin now. What I said, mind you, the bassa. So I found, they can have found. So clean go there, clean go. This is our job. Until NDC MPP, even though to about it to my NDC and to my MPP. But what any J who fin, any referees. There's a reference in the referee in your referee banza. Not a game so by Bassa. Until yes, stress and trouble. Each one is very serious, very crucially important. Until Jane, you should do some introspection. A photo. Let's see. The joy is so important. Sometimes I try it to be a Williams show. Sometimes it takes one we because this is a time. In fact, we should watch an own way. But mobile be more about the home day. You are symbols of professionalism. It's a way you get that sense of joy, inner satisfaction. Yeah, because you have standards to maintain. As of course, every politicians, papa. But hence, our job is ours is the best profession in the world. And if you suffer working, is a politician where you be here and then you're born with you. Yeah, we exercise oversight responsibility over all of them. Yes, they oversight responsibility. You can just imagine the consequences.
Remember peace, who and semi, any peace council and a bomo. Why you offer more dear? It is a saying, baby, a yadruno. Peak in a one yadruno. It is saying at ye aside why ye be an idea being on a Ghana journalist, a peace council, so more ye fear to fear because they say campaign or door to door. Would you know get no be boba and I politician? It is saying ye the answer, you know.
Me pacho sisi ani de ye hia media no because obekasa no say media na amfa nya de bedu achi na enkofo bebre so wo media no wo ye social media handles na enkofo bebre so tie radios nya de internet say peace campaign na eye consistent wo ye radio stations ni TV stations nya de
social media
handles it's all about peace na say ebia asem business aya asema ebia etimi de ntokwa eni se ye jump ni ye kwhye because me hu ni se ensembone seli bebre wo Ghana ha sei asem ni see ya na nkofo start
negative na
but obi de ade papa bi ba it's very difficult se nkofo be accept yankopon ya aduma by 21st ye koye next October ya Youth for Peace Summit ni bi okumase ye targeting penifo and the
Micklin,
Micklin.
Okay.
Yen Jessica, you're banning free,
but you'll be free. And after that, you're planning Youth for Peace walk.
Okay.
Before the election, I think 1st December.
Okay.
Youth for Peace walk, and I person can tackle yen penny for Nina said that day no. Omumbra, now come on pledge for peace. Emma youth and say yen penny for ABR. His Excellency.
So Mbaba pledges so hon ya ni nkosi fi kase no your problem.
But Mbaba pledges so nkosi fi. So Mbaba pledge na se omma youth ni ti ase say yen me ne ebia president age na ha bi gina no say any bi gina he yom nkontokwa. Nti aden na wo de wo support A na wo support B a mo kokontokwa.
Na so mo wie ye so de na mo ye ayi a mpense mu a NDC MPP a we are as na chiriba.
Okay, internet is a game.
Supporters.
A game, but as a youth ni anti as a game.
I don't know Mr. President kan no. Also omon ko abrabo ni mu. Nti ono no te honom na aso agu na no. Di we na koye we ma me. Eno an wonim, but so wa fa life ni mu a. Obeti ne ma bia.
So we have to let the youth understand the games na. Politics ni mu. So what you say unkotru mika se ukọ kwotwa wonsa na se bibisa because sabe disabilities omo Ghana ha se kwa yentimi mu omo na so do de beka ho Nti no saa ne man na pese yensi ano kwan Ghana obre bebre wa ha say emma ne nkwala uko villages am starting me program am me call villages na uko sometimes with me to obi asem na ese what but to say 50 pesos kwa nekita wa ese jai ni na ma nipa no se nkrofo obre
yem fancy ba ma menye president the last words
ya ibida 2016 na ayebshishi ne Ghana nyama nkoye Ghana be show Ghana show
correct
yes nyamitase nti yakupon se bua ho no so bua nti central for this is the time to demonstrate our commitment to the national cause. A national cause number 1 was the can assembly. Okay. So what's it? Peace is the ultimate
price
of life. Nti enya assembly nti me be try na program say bia yen dwunu ho you should weigh the consequences and then you should tailor our messages.
Oh okay any page akere fa hwe camera ni mo
for peace.
Okay mintie we
nti peace you know because peace is preeminent very bia there say baby can be obi ba we fredo wo studio na nka say on fast mjeba
ye mute no tena adwen si so
you are in charge.
Correct.
Say if a president I could be I'm in charge. Say member I report to you.
Correct.
Yes. Member can me it's a minister mo sorry.
Correct.
It's a minister mo pui.
Correct.
Stamp your authority obia whose program bia some tell you bia stamp your authority on your programs.
Correct.
And show that you are in charge.
Correct.
Obia on can say on can yes and some as dream back.
Unifree so.
Unifree do.
Emfa ne makura.
At all.
Okay.
See, home be take you.
That's it. But yeah, can ya na electronics no so e ka ho bio. Ya na it say radio TV pe. Printing.
Print. Print no so come print. Say me bibia no. Inte say also electronics so bibo printer someone your papa. On fast mjimba mon can don't review. Don't review cry. Don't review.
Okay.
Today dan them session is go be on so you more publicity too much.
No correct.
You more publicity too much. When hear that oxygen of publicity or them nyama ofe. Them stories on fan share it your baby keke.
Yan kai be wu naturally.
Exactly. Na ma oda simdwi ma tuntum baban. Yam fan ko.
No. Yada President Ghana Journalists Association ora fa money ase na mama Gladys Binding so yada o ma say Youth for Peace Summit inti eno na ye hwe na no pen komo twetwe na ha na edi besie de edu so no editors forum na say editors nso wo mo chefa so wo so di nkomo na yakọ so week yi mu nyina no ma betena se na o man hene na fe ya hwe abobo ho bidi afia amankwa tamaklo meko no man hene kwabna sante atwaso.